So the other day I was scrolling on TikTok, and a certain video popped up on my For You page. And at that moment I knew, I have to try this. So I hopped onto my computer and spent forever researching. Long story short, no one sells them for my car, except for one place. And the only thing is that they're $800. This is the Toyota Altezza. The Altezza started the craze for the clear taillight look, and lots of people try and get it. Many people don't have the budget, or it's not made for their car, but unlike many people, we're going to try and do it the right way. And plus, how hard can it be? Okay, going to pick up the acrylic. So to do this the right way, we need a few things. We need taillights, plastic, heat gun, Dremel, oven, headlight seal, and red LED bulbs. Okay, success, we got it. Yes! Now that we have the plastic and the taillights, it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, we ran into the first issue. When we took the lens off out the oven, it left some of the red lens behind, and this stuff is not easy to get off. I've been having to heat it up with the heat gun and scrape it off. So this is what's left over after we scraped off all the extra. And now that there's no red lens showing, we can heat up the acrylic and mold it to the shape of the taillight. So when we put the lens in, this plastic piece so we're just going to use the same piece for my set of taillights. Taped off the sealed taillight. Now we just have to spray around the edges to cover the gray headlight sealer. Oh snap. Oh! Yes! Oh, that looks nice. Dang, those are bright. I'm so happy with that.